Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today's new video is Antex. This is a landing page of Antex. There is a home section and website URL antex.org. At first, we should about be Antex. Antex is a decentralized financial infrastructure. Antex provide the foundation building layers for a new digital economy with following products: stable coin, crypto, fiat, DEX, Launchpad, looking equality and look token and connecting crypto to the real world. Our vision and takes ecosystem long term vision and mission being the most competent, optimized and secure platform for developers, project owner and community. Antrix ecosystem BNTT stablecoin. BNTT stablecoin is backed liquidity with BND rate of on and on by Nagan along the payment intermediate environment dairy licensed by the State Bank of Vietnam. Transaction and Payment Service BNDT Wallet. BNDT a truly digital banking. BNDT version applying cryptocurrencies to real life with BPay services, allowing users to in interact and interact all daily service with in BNDT wallet. Unique of BNDT wallet to optimize and insurance user digital assets by crypto and communication reward same and lock token and lock liquidity in becoming a common and standard in DeFi field. And launch a new launch generation with two features: ILO Intel liquidity offering and IDOB Intel DXY DEX offering and visiting. And launch being a process for developers, project owner, safe investment place for the investor community with flexibility. Decentralization this those futures solve current centralized or decentralized launchpad problems issue. The user's experiment concurrently with futures on and launch will still ensure the evolves security with analog functionality. Roadmap launching BNDT wallet on Android and iOS beyond. BNDT wallet releasing function crypto and shop launching BNDT wallet B2 launching and tanks and analog token and liquidity launching and takes blockchain wallet launching and tanks launch the launch pad and the launchpad of Antex Beyond. This is Antex roadmap. Antex team, team or family, investor, advisor, partner, investment funds, business, payments, media, press release, market insider, Yahoo Finance, Gishon, Opera News, etc. and takes product and service, about us, company, white paper, KK, privacy policy, team service, support, all-time support, FAQs, support rate, and takes token sale, pre-sale, round, event, count down, 50 days, 5 hours, 52 minutes, second, and takes token use cases, holding and takes token on BNDT wallet. You will receive partner level investors with reduct fees, increases interest rate on saving package, and many other invites. And takes token mix. Our mission to build a trust friendly and stable blockchain financial ecosystem. The following token utilization to demonstrate how we are preparing for a long run plan. K matrix token symbol and text token supply blockchain Binance Smart Chain editor Kartik Connect token type Utley governance. 3 governance marketing 50% token amount around 5% advisor 2% airdrop bounty 2% and technical 50% private sale 11% ecosystem 16% racing founding 10% pre-sale 60% dev 5%. No more today. I hope connect with and text. So till then, take care.